Mhla ka-13 kuJulayi 2025, uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa wasazisa ukuthi emveni kokuzwa izinsolo ezibekwe uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, usezoqoka i-Judicial Commission of Inquiry ezobe iholwa uJustice Mbuyiseni Madlanga ukuze iphenye wonke lama-allegations ashiwo uGeneral Mkhwanazi ngomhla ka-6 kuJulayi 2025 kuleya media briefing ayenayo. Wayethe izoqala-ke ngo-August, kodwa yona yaze yaqala ngomhla ka-17 kuSepthemba. Okuthe ngomhla ka-17 kuDisemba yasubmitha i-interim report yayo yokuqala ngoba ilandelo umyalelo kaPresident Cyril Ramaphosa wathi after 3 months izomlethela their first interim report, then kwi-3 months esibili kuzobe kwi-6 months bese bemnikeza i-final report. Okuthe-ke ngoDisemba 17 base bemnikeza the first interim report. Okuthe kulonyaka uma kufika uMay kubonakala ukuthi iMadlanga ngeke ikwazi ukuqeda wonke umsebenzi wayo efuneka iwenze ngesikhathi enikezwe sona. uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa wayi-extended isikhathi, kodwa ngesikhathi eyi-extendela yayisimnikeza i-interim report yesibili okulindele ukuthi ikhiphe interim report yayo yesithathu ngomhla ka-15 November if I'm not mistaken. Lezi insuku ezedlule ipresidency ikhipha istatement ebeyisazisa ukuthi upresident useyifundile i-report le evela kwiMadlanga Commission. Sitshela futhi athini ama-recommendations wabo. Sizofunda ke leso statement. Kodwa nje engikuqaphelile kwi-interim report yokuqala wanele nje iMadlanga Commission yakhipha leya report yokuqala, then kwasekukhandwa le Commission Recommendations Task Team ngoba phela uJustice Mbuyiseni Madlanga wacela wathi cha ucela ingabizwa ngeMadlanga Task Team ngoba yena akabophi umuntu, ngakho ke ibizwa ngeCommission Recommendations Task Team. Yabopha ke leya task team ayidlali. Bonke abantu ababe recommendiwe ekuqaleni kukhona iminyakazo sesiyibona. Ngizokubalela nje la uyayithe ak-investigate General Sinona obeka phethe ama-Hawks lapha eKZN, uvele nje wazenzela into elula yena wavele waresign. Yathi ak-investigate uBrigadier Nkwashu usase suspended okwamanje pending ama-results. Yathi ak-investigate uBrigadier Mantsheng, i-SAPS i-disciplinary proceedings ye-SAPS ifike yamthola e-guilty yamdismissa. Kwaba Major General Shibiri naye futhi ilokuzana SAPS disciplinary proceedings yamthola e-guilty bamdismissa. uSergeant Mfana Nkosi ngikhuluma nawe nje, he's in custody, uboshiwe kumanje ngenxa yalama recommendations avela kwiMadlanga. So uma ngabe igama lomuntu libhaliwe ukuthi kunama recommendations enziwe iMadlanga Commission ngalowo muntu loyo, kukabili, itsila uzoboshwa okanye uzodismisswa. Nansi nje into engiyaziyo. Mobheka ngapha esayidini laseKuruleni uDr Imogen Mashazi, ngikhuluma nawe nje uphume ngebail. Usisi lo konjubani lo uXaleka naye futhi imdismissile. Advocate Kemi Behari naye udismissed. Commissioner Julius Mkhwanazi, even though i-disciplinary processes isesebhizi nodaba lwakhe, kodwa usevele kaningi ecourt. Lo muntu ungaphandle kwebail unamabhail ayi-3 aphume ngawo. Useboshwe kwesi-4 manje njengoba icala labo lihlehlela lwesibili ukuze bekuzokhulunywa indaba yebail. Konke lokhu kwenzeka ngenxa yama-recommendations avela kwiMadlanga Commission. Sizofunda ke i-statement lesesiphuma kwi-presidency. Undeka kanje: President Ramaphosa notes recommendations and referral of the second interim reports of the Madlanga Commission. President Cyril Ramaphosa has noted the recommendations and referrals contained in the second interim report of the Judicial Commission of Inquiry into Criminality, Political Interference and Corruption in the Criminal Justice System, also known as the Madlanga Commission, arising from specific allegations by Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi on 6 July 2025. The Commission submitted its second interim report to President Ramaphosa on the 29th of May 2026. This follows the submission of the first interim report on 17 December 2025. The final report on the completion of the inquiry will be submitted on the 16th of November 2026. The report revisits the recommendation and referrals made in the first interim report in respect of the South African Police Services, SAPS, based on prima facie evidence and, with one exception, confirms these recommendations now that the relevant implicated parties have appeared before the Commission to give evidence. The report also set out new recommendations and referrals made by the Commission on the basis of evidence heard since the start of 2026. Flowing from this evidence, the Commission recommends the institution of disciplinary proceedings and the immediate investigation of criminal conduct, and, if sufficient evidence be found to exist, the institution of criminal proceedings against the following individuals: Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya, Witness G, Sergeant Fanny Nkosi, Mr. Brown Mokgotsi. The Commission also recommends that the Office of the Inspector General for Intelligence or another functionary with the necessary authority conduct an immediate investigation into the off-the-books operation of crime intelligence in which Mr. Mokgotsi and Witness G were allegedly involved. These recommendations and referrals are made in line with Clause 10.4 of the Commission's Terms of Reference, which provides the Commissions with the power to refer matter for immediate criminal investigation and urgent decision on prosecution, taking into account the nature of the allegations and evidence the Commission will uncover. Clause 12 further states that the Commission shall, where appropriate, refer any matter for prosecution, further investigation, or the convening of a separate inquiry to the appropriate law enforcement agency, government department, or regulator. The most recent referrals from the Commission will form part of the work of the SAPS Special Investigation Task Team established following receipt of the first interim report to institute investigations against people identified by the Commission as a matter of urgency. Ngobuzwa ukuthi i-Commission ithi labantu abalandelayo oku Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya, uBrown Mokgotsi, Sergeant Fanny Nkosi no Witness G aqale ku-activate ama subs disciplinary proceedings. Uthi uma ubufakazi banele ekuthenini bangaprosecutwa ngokuthi baye enkantolo akube njalo. So njengoba sibonile kungenzeka labantu laba ikakhulukazi Sergeant Fanny Nkosi no General Shadrack Sibiya kungenzeka laba ababili uma bengaboshwa ngoba uvela uboshiwe uFanny Nkosi uma bengadismisswanga bazoboshwa. Ilokho nje ngikushoyo. Bengithi angikwazise nje ngale report, ngiyazi sengilate ngoba iphume ngiyacabanga ngoLwesine kodwa ngenxa yokuba busy ke isikhathi angisitholanga. Bengithi angikwazise nje ukuthi President Cyril Ramaphosa usitshelile ukuthi yini recommendwe i-Commission. Mina nawe sidibane kwivile elandelayo.